In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule meeting in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move an existing meeting to a new date or time and make sure everyone invited is informed, all in just a few clicks. First, open Google Calendar. You can do this in your web browser or using the mobile or desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you're looking at the right calendar. Take a quick glance at your view, day, week, or month, so it's easier to spot the event you want to move. Next, click the meeting or event you want to reschedule. This opens a small preview with the event's details, like the title, current date and time, and the guest list. This preview is helpful for confirming you've selected the right meeting before you make any changes. From that preview, click the pencil icon, also known as Edit. This takes you to the full editing screen where all the details can be adjusted. Think of this page as your control center for the event. You'll see fields for the date, start and end times, and who's invited. This is the place where you'll make the actual reschedule. Now change the date or time. Click the date field to choose a new day and adjust the start and end times to match your plan. Make sure the new time makes sense for your schedule, and keep an eye on the duration so you don't accidentally shorten or lengthen the meeting. If you work across regions, double-check that the time zone displayed is the one you intend to use. Small details here go a long way in avoiding confusion later. When you're confident the new date and time are correct, click Save. You'll usually find this button in the upper right of the event editor. Saving locks in your changes and prepares the update for everyone on the invite list. After saving, choose Send to notify guests. Google Calendar will prompt you to send an email update to everyone invited. Click Send so participants receive the new time right away. This keeps everyone aligned and helps prevent missed meetings or last-minute surprises. That's it. Your meeting is now moved to the new slot and your guests are informed. You can return to your calendar view to see the event sitting neatly in its new place. If you ever need to adjust it again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.